Welcome to the Light Efficient Design Category Review. I'm 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀, and today we're going to be talking about our PL retrofit lamps. We're pleased to offer a complete lineup of PL for CFL replacements. We have 10 models or 30 SKUs covering wattages of 13 to 32 watt, and our lamps range from 5 to 12 watts. We offer both 2-pin and 4-pin solutions. We have an expansive offering on our 2-pin solutions, such as GX23, G23, and G24-2. For our 4-pin, we have your standard G24Q base, as well as the GX24Q base. What's very unique about our models is that we actually offer them in what we call universal. What that means is that they are type A and B, so they can run off of line voltage, 120 through 277 volt, or they can work off an existing magnetic or electronic ballast, depending if it's 2-pin or 4-pin respectively. And this lamp that I'm holding on to is actually an LED. So this one is specifically designed for a wall sconce. So this lamp here is actually going to illuminate that entire fixture that you would find in a hallway. Then we have recessed can PL lamps, like this horizontal unit here, where that can be rotated to make sure that you're fitting the pins exactly into the socket, along with maximizing that light output. Then for a vertical socket and a recessed can, we have this unit, which again is going to maximize the light output. Our PL lamps are UL listed and UL classified. They have a 5-year warranty and an LED life of 50,000 hours. Thank you for watching our Light Efficient Design category review on our PL retrofits.